GTA 6 leak. Gamers rally round Rockstar after biggest hack in history. GTA 6 leak has been confirmed as real, and it's big. In fact, it could be the biggest security breach in gaming history. But while publisher Rockstar Games battles to take down stolen content, it says the delay won't delay the game, and figures in the gaming sector have offered words of support. Leaked GTA 6 content was posted to a forum on Sunday, and the hacker who posted it claims to have more assets from a game. Rockstar Games hasn't given any details away, but a barrage of leaked content was posted to GTA forums, opens in new tab, at the weekend. The footage included animation tests, level layouts, and some 90 videos of early footage from the game. Most notably, it appeared to confirm a rumor that GTA 6 will feature a playable female protagonist for the first time. It also appeared to reveal that the game will take place in Vice City, a fictionalized version of Miami which was the setting for the 2002 game GTA, Vice City. Rockstar has since confirmed that the leak is real. In a statement on Twitter, opens in new tab. Illegally accessed and downloaded confidential information from our systems, including early development footage for the next Grand Theft Auto. It added, "We do not anticipate any disruption to our live game services nor any long-term effect on the development of our ongoing projects. This is all about it. For more information, subscribe the channel and click the bell icon. Thank you."